Are you done yet? How did it go? What little problem? Well, that's an easy fix. We'll just go there again. I'll make time. How's your injured foot? Do you need me to come pick you up? I heard from Miner that you caught a cold. I made him tell me. I was worried that you'd catch cold after getting caught out in the rain that day, so I asked Miner to keep an eye on you for me. Next time you can tell me yourself. Even if it's not serious, you need to tell me. If I don't know what's going on, I'll worry. I guess I have a better constitution. I would never catch a cold from that. I shouldn't have made you wait there for so long in the first place. Yeah, and the sun came out right after the rain stopped. It'll probably happen again next time. Why? The view really was breathtaking. And what's that? I think so too. I finally waited for the perfect moment.